Hello friends, in this video we will see that how we can edit the theme color of GIMP software and how we can edit the toolbox options in the preferences of GIMP. So as you can see, I have opened the software, and now I will go to edit, and here you can see preferences. So in the preferences you can see there are a lot of options, and one of them you can see the interface theme. So in the theme you can see, like, we have the dark theme, dark color. So if I select gray, you can see it will change to the gray color, and if I change to the light, so it will change to the light theme. So we can select one of these options. So I will move back to the dark color. And the next thing, as I told, we will check about the toolbox options. So we will click on the toolbox, and here you can see the toolbox. Here we can see a bunch of tools. If I scroll down here, like, you can see the zoom tool, so we can show or hide tools. For instance, if you want to show or hide, so if I click on this eye, so you can see zoom. See this, you can see zoom tool will disappear. If I click again, it will reappear. See, it has been reappeared. Let me show you once again. If I click, see, it's disappear, and if I click, then it's reappear. And if we want to turn on additional tools, like we can see brightness, contrast, threshold, levels, curves, offset. So if we want to add them, so you can add them also, like you can see brightness, contrast. If you want to drag and drop, see, if we drag and drop, now you can see zoom at the last and first brightness. If I add threshold, see, threshold is there. If we want to move zoom at the end, so we will move here, so you can see zoom is now here. So in this video I explained how to change the theme layout, theme color, and I also explained about the toolbox options in the GIMP preferences. So we can show or hide tools, we can rearrange the tools, and we can turn on the additional tools. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things, they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.